you all, I am Malika. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as press on the notification bell icon so that you all are notified whenever I'm active on YouTube. Yeah, I was going to say Instagram. Anyway, so today I'm going to create this beautiful halo eye look, and since the wedding season and even Diwali season is also right here, I hope you all would love to create this beautiful gorgeous eye look. It looks beautiful with any Indian wear as well as Western wear. So please do not forget to watch this video. Hello y'all, so to begin with, I'm starting off with a complete bare face. As you can see, I will be going on with this Requel moisturizer. It's a very beautiful moisturizer. If you all want, I can also post a review on this moisturizer. I have been using this moisturizer lately, and trust me you guys, I'm already in love with this moisturizer. I will be just taking this much amount because you don't need a lot, and since I'm from the oily skin type, my face, it generally tends to grease up a little bit. So therefore I will be using a very less amount, first warming up and then spreading it all over my face, across my neck as well. It deserves all the pampering as well. Now this is a beautiful moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid as well as ceramide. Now I will be spritzing some MAC Fix Plus on my face as a primer. Now we'll allow this to sit and go on with the eye makeup. I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, and I will be applying it all across my lid area. For priming my eyelids. Now I will not set it with the help of a brush. Instead I will be setting it with the help of my fingers. After my eyelids are primed up, I will be using this base eyeshadow, like it's completely white as you can see, to set my eyelids in place. Next up, using a small blending brush, I will be taking this transition shade from the Rose in the Air palette from Wet n Wild. I will be moving it all across my eyelids in very light hand and in circular motions. Next up, taking this darker shade of brown from the Swiss Beauty palette, I will be putting it in my inner corners of the eyes as well as the outer corners to give it much more definition. Please go slow when you're doing this step, like really slow. I would suggest you to go really slow and in a very light hand. After we're done with that, we'll get back to this pink rosy shade from the same Rose in the Air palette which we were using earlier. We will be putting across this rosy shade as a transition shade from brown to pink. This shade is so well pigmented, you guys. I'm already in love. Now after we are done with that, we will just be taking this shimmery shade from the same Rose in the Air palette from Wet n Wild. We will just be putting this shade as a spotlight in our eyes, in our eyelids. That will look so beautiful. Oh my god, looks super stunning. If you all are ever creating this look, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram as well as in YouTube. Wow. Looks super perfect. Now we will be doing the same thing in our lower lash line as well, and for that we will be taking this pink shade or this rosy shade from Wet n Wild, placing it all across our lower lash line. And then the shimmery shade do you see how beautiful it looks? It just makes the look much more complete and just so stunning. Now to make this look much more glammed up, I will be using the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 02 Champagne. and I will be taking some of it on my ring finger and placing it on the spotlight which we've created. It looks so beautiful, you guys. Next up, I will be coating my eyelids with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I will be doing this off camera because I'm very bad at applying mascara on camera, so just excuse me for a moment. And with the eye makeup, I will be moving on to the same Fit Me concealer which we had used to prime our eyelids. I will be placing it in the areas I need, like my acne spots, my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my mouth area. That's it. Now I will not be using any concealer brush. Instead of that, I will be using the PAC 265 foundation buffing brush. It's a beautiful brush as well, and I'm going to actually spread this entire concealer like foundation. Today we are going for a very neutral base. We don't want a heavy and a cakey base. Therefore, we'll go for very light products, and we'll maximize the products basically. Spread it beautifully in very small strokes. Please do not take away the concealer. Instead, you have to buff it in very small strokes. Just stamp it. Next up, I am not going for any foundation look today. So I will be using this very old Garnier BB cream. Just this much is more than enough for our today's base. Using the buffing brush, just whirling it over and then applying it all over my face to give that dewy and beautiful neutral glow. See, my skin's already glowing. You can wear this look anywhere, like just anywhere. You can wear this to a wedding as well because it looks very beautiful. And I love dewy bases. They are just my go-to. Feel free to set your entire face, but today I will not set my entire face because I'm going in for that dewy look. Instead, I will be taking this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact and I will just be setting my under eyes and my mouth area. That's it. I don't need any more setting today. Going for a very dewy base. Now, for my blush, I will be using this Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. It's in the shade Gul. It's a very beautiful pink shade, and I will be using this shade as my blush. And I will be using this shade as my blush. Okay, that's it. It's highly pigmented. You got to blend it really well. Oh my god, it just looks so nice. And if you think you've gone overboard with it, just take any stippling brush and move it across with a very light hand. I love blushes, so I will not do that, and I don't think I've gone a lot too overboard. Okay. Now for today I will be using the highlighter by Lakme. It's in the shade, I don't know. Okay, it's in the shade Desert Rose. It's a sheer highlighter and I think I have not used this for ages. So I will be using this today because why not? It looks so pretty. With the highlighter, we'll be applying it on the tip of my nose and on the, like, not the entire bridge. Yeah, that's it. My brow bones, just on the high points basically. Since this look is already quite glammed up, Now, since I find that this look is already quite glammed up, I'm not going to add anything extra. We are going in for a very nudish lipstick. It's Lakme 925 in the shade Orchid Dusk. It's a very beautiful nude color. Nude. It has actually a very much reddish brick toned color. It's reddish pinkish. I don't know how to describe this. This is the color. Okay. Now I will be also using this Maybelline, I don't know what is this, creamy matte in the shade Touch of Spice. This is one of my most favorite lipstick, and you can already see from the size. I bought this lipstick 5 to 6 months ago, I guess, and you can see the size. This is one of my go-to lipstick for college. It looks so beautiful, you guys. Oh my god, I'm loving this look right now. So I will be just putting on some jewelries, doing my hair, and then coming right back. My final look, you guys, and if you all like this look, then please do not forget to subscribe and comment to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me, and I love you all so much. And just one more thing, if you all want to give some suggestions for my YouTube videos, like what sort of videos you all would like to see from me, then please don't forget to drop that down in the comment section below. That would really help me out a lot, since I'm new here and I would want to know what you all would love to watch from me. So bye bye, just take care, love you all so much.